To transfer your iPhone data to Windows PC and from your Windows PC to iPhone without any cable and wire, just go to this website on your Windows PC and install this simple transfer on your Windows. Once file is downloaded, run this file, install it, and you will be prompted for access. Give all the access to the PC, to this software, and then this will open like this one. Now you need to bring your phone here, go to the App Store on iPhone, and then here you type the same app name. Once you see this one, it asks me to update. I don't need to update. You install this one, open it, and it will ask you for some proxy and other wireless connection setting. Go to this section on your Windows PC and press the Find My Device, and on your mobile phone you will see this code. Verify this code and boom, here you are connected with your Windows PC without any cable or wire. Select any photos you want, and here you can change the format of those photos and videos whatsoever you want to transfer. Then give the location where you want to save and press the download button. Remember, you can download only 50 photos and videos. Here is one I downloaded, and in the other sections they are still in process because my file, as you can see, is heavier file. So it is simple, quite an easy and very nice tool. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.